welcome back to my channel. Hope you all doing great. Thank you so much for all the love on my previous video, and in today's video I'm going to talk about my top 5 favorites, and I'm going to include random things like my favorite food, outfit, books, music, accessories, stationery, and very random things. I'm going to make a series on this particular topic so that I think it will help a lot of you to find your favorites too. And there's one more thing, I'm going to include links for the products if I'm buying them on website. So stores lo konte, of course I cannot provide you any links. I can only provide you the store names and the address. So that's about it. So let's get into the video. Okay, so the first one from my top 5 favorites is going to be this lipstick from Nykaa, and I bought this from Nykaa website couple of weeks ago, and the shade is Your Latte. From the time I bought this lipstick, I'm wearing this religiously every time I go out. Actually, pandemic lo pedda pani lekunde. Whenever I go for my work, my shoots, my meetings and shopping for my work, I'm wearing this lipstick. Actually, mask kuda untundi anukondi. Lipsticks actually doesn't matter, but koncham lipstick actually is okay. So, the first thing I liked about this lipstick is the color. I'm very big fan of nude lipsticks. Andulonu brown nudes ante inka pedda fan ni. So the color is amazing. Actually, most of the nude lipsticks make my lips look very pale, but this color is very beautiful. So I don't say this lipstick lasts longer. You definitely need touch-ups now and then. This lipstick is not drying out my lips. So my second favorite from my top 5 favorites are going to be these beautiful nail colors from H&M. I bought them like 2 to 3 months back while I was shopping for a movie. So beautiful, and I spotted them at the billing and I couldn't stop picking them up. So I bought 5 of them. Neni 5 nail pens use cheyaledu. I think I used 2 of them. I think I used these 2 colors. They're pretty good. Kakapote they're not lasting longer on your nails anamata, but if you're someone who keep changing your nail pens now and then, I think they're pretty good and decent. The applicator is also very good, that it's spreading all over your nails and not leaving any lines or something like that. So but you can definitely buy them for their colors, so pretty. So that's about my second favorite. Third one from my top 5 favorites is going to be this one from Organic India. It's Tulsi tea. I'm a big fan of hot beverages. Rojlo ko 3 to 4 times edo okati taagutune untanu. I feel it works really well for my stress. So I'll keep having some hot beverage. Sometimes just hot water too. I'm not a big fan of teas with milk, so I usually don't have the normal tea. And this one is a caffeine free, because post 6 I don't have anything with caffeine because I think it will disturb my sleep pattern. So I picked this one up. If post 6 I want to have something hot with some flavor, then I can have this because it is caffeine free. And also another thing I checked while I'm buying tea bags is that it should be staple free, and this one is staple free. So actually this is fixing my tea time. So that's about it. So this is the third one. Okay, so the fourth one from my top 5 favorites is going to be this one. This is mascara from Too Faced. Actually చాలా mascaras try చేస్తున్నాను, but this have a special place because I have this thing for thick and voluminous lashes, and this is giving me illusion of fake lashes. That is one thing I like about this one. Actually Maybelline and Benefit mascaras kuda naaku chaala ishtam. Also the second thing, most of the mascaras are waterproof and you will have one hell of a time to remove them from your lashes, but this one is very easy. You can remove them easily from your lashes without poking or losing your lashes. So that's the second thing I like about this mascara. So it's hitting my top 5. Okay, so the fifth one from my top 5 favorites is going to be this one. This is ring binder from Amazon. So I'm a big fan of cute stationery. I bought one I think 2 to 3 years back for my work, and again I bought another one like 2 to 3 weeks ago. I think it's very helpful. It's holding almost everything in one place: my scripts, my schedules, my work references, my color swatches, my fabric swatches, my bills, everything almost in one place. So I use this for one movie, so I have everything related to that one movie in this particular file. So that's the one thing I love about this ring binder. And also you can add or remove pages whenever you want to, so that's another advantage for having a ring binder. So that's it. So this is the fifth and my most favorite in my top 5. So that's all, guys. Let me know in comment section below if you want me to continue doing a series on this particular topic. I would love to do. Thank you so much for sticking around till the end. It means a lot. And you know the drill. Please subscribe, like and press the bell icon to never miss an update from me. Take care, stay safe, be positive. Bye.